there, I'm Alex from WTI. Recently I went on a very long road trip, and while I love my older model version of minivan, it does not have a GPS in it, which is why I got this great GPS from Magellan. Let me give you a little closer look at some of the features that I love about it.
This GPS has a decent-sized touchscreen that responds quite well. It displays the current time, and if you touch the menu button, you can easily access all of the features you would expect in a GPS. The letters when typing in a destination are large and easy to see, and great for those of us who have larger, possibly clumsy fingers. And instead of using the map, there is a feature that displays each turn, which might be preferred by other users. I just wanted to mention too that this GPS also comes with free lifetime map updates, which is huge.
As you can see, this GPS comes with all of the features that you're going to need. It was super easy to use, and it got me to my destination and home quite easily. Very happy with it, and that's my point of view.